Assalamu alaikum everyone. How are you all? I hope you all are well. We're starting to upload series of video on NCERT solution. So first we are starting for class 10. So today we will solve the first exercise of chapter polynomial of class 10. So friend, let's start. This is the first exercise of chapter polynomial of class 10 math book. The graph, let's read the question. The graph of y equals to px are given in the figure below. In this figure, graph are given for some polynomial px. Find the number of zeros of px in each case. So here some graph given of polynomial px. So we have to find number of zero in each case. That means in each graph, how to be the number of zero. How many zero are there in each graph? Okay. So how to find the number of zero of any polynomial if the graphical representation is given? Just we have to look at the graph, how many times the graph cuts the x-axis. Again I am repeating, how many times the graph cuts the x-axis, that will be the number of zero of the polynomial. Okay, just we have to look the graph, how many times cuts the x-axis. So now look at the first graph. First graph is a straight line, you can see here, and our x-axis is this. Okay, so is the graph cuts the x-axis? No, we clearly saying that the graph does not cut the x-axis. So in the first case, it does not have any zero. That means number of zero will be 0. That means no zero. So in first problem, it does not have any zero. Is it clear to you? No zero. Now coming to the second problem. Look at the graph. From here it's going down and up. So now look at this graph. It cuts the x-axis in one place, no? At this place. You can see here. In this place it cuts the x-axis. So in one time. So number of zero will be 1 in this case. So now coming to the third problem. Sorry. In third problem, see how many times cuts the x-axis the graph. So here one place, here one place, here one place. So 3 times the graph cuts the x-axis. So number of zero will be 3. So just remember here we have to check only for x-axis, not for y-axis. Here also the graph cuts the y-axis. So don't count this. Okay, keep it remember. We have to look how many times cuts the graph only x-axis. Okay, not for y-axis. Now coming to the fourth problem. So look at this graph. Here one time it cuts the x-axis. Here another time it cuts the x-axis. So here 2 times the graph cuts the x-axis. So number of zero will be 2. Clear? Now next problem. Just look at the graph. Here one time, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times. So it's cuts the x-axis 4 times. So number of zero will be 4. Now next problem. Here one time, here one time, here one time. So the graph cuts the x-axis 3 times. So in this case, number of zero will be 3. So there is only one problem in the first exercise. I hope you have understood this solution. If you have any doubt, feel free to ask question. In next video, we will solve the next exercise. Thank you for watching. Stay with us with like, share and comment.